Ebola.
Why in fact was a plenary? They said the message. I'm right here. So everybody will be locked out.
I'm at the gate now, Mr. Speaker. I was being logged out. I don't know what is going on. I was being logged out. Immediately they saw me. Shut up. Were you not here? 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 Lock them to lock us out. Were you not here? Were you not here? Were you not here? Were you not here?
Why? See, Inspector, when you went to be home. A citizen of this state, and never got to assembly. Why? Inspector, went to be home, you see the person on long gate go and you say.
And you said they were locking us out. Honorable, hey, come see at the gate. What point you're focusing on? What they locking you out? Huh? Huh? Any everyone they lock you out. What they lock?
What kind of nonsense are you playing here? What they do and you lock the gate? Chupa bari. Today you like yellow no set. Let's go down and go back. Let's just open the gate.
Yalo.
Nobody the other law. Let you cut. Open the gate.
Hey guys, so we know that the new school year is right around the corner and that this is a time to support family and friends back home and help with the school fees. Well, don't worry, Sahara Reporters has got you covered. We are partnering with SendWave to help you send money with love. That special love that only your mother can give you. Now, for those of you who don't know about SendWave, it is a mobile app that allows you to send money instantly without paying any fees. Yes, no fees at all. Very convenient, right? With SendWave, you can easily send money to Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania as if you were sending a mere text message. Yes. So throughout the month of September, new users can use our promo code Sahara to get $5, €5, or £5 free credit for your first transfer. All you have to do is simply use our promo code before you make the transaction. And on top of that, everyone who sends money to Nigeria, whether they're old or new senders, will get a 4.5% cash bonus for transfers over $50, €50, etc. Just simply be sure to update your SendWave app to enjoy this cash bonus. This video is sponsored by SendWave.